Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Chevy Colorado. We're going to start right away up front. You have factory fog lamps, Z71 badging up in the grille, so you know right away that it does have the off-road package. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. We're going to take a look inside now at the leather interior. You also have cloth interior there too mixed in as well, making a very comfortable ride. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch here on the back. Taking a look at the bed, you have a spray-in bed liner just to keep that bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here to the steering wheel. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. You have your dual climate controls here as well as dual heated seats. And of course your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Colorado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.